Hello everybody, welcome back. And what we're going to do now is finish up the About Me page. But first, I want to show you how to get rid of unnecessary stuff and actually what I did to update or upgrade my website a little bit. I turned it into kind of like an affiliate site, which you can do also if this is what you want to do. So let's check it out. Okay, so here we are back at the website, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like now and what I did to change it. First off, if you notice, I got a different picture here. I went to pixabay.com and I actually got a free photo. I think I showed you that website before in another lecture. This is the photo that I picked, and also I used the headings in the subheading area of the website as well in the header section. Also changed the color of the font to this yellow color, which matches this very, very nicely. Also changed the services section to training guides. So here I'm going to have training guides instead of a services section. Depending on the kind of website that you have, you might want to have a training guides or something other than a services section. But you can, like you can see, you can use it any way you want to. It doesn't have to be a services section, so to speak. Also, you can see I changed the text color on the call to action. I also changed our work section to equipment for experts and beginners, which is actually when you hover over these. Remember I told you before you can make these images clickable, and what they do is they go back to Amazon. So if you become an Amazon affiliate, which I am, and it's very simple to become an Amazon affiliate, you just go to Amazon.com. You scroll down to the bottom of the website, and you'll see in the black area, you'll see affiliates. And you just click on that, and then it'll say become an affiliate, and you just fill out the information to become an affiliate. Now, the good thing about being an affiliate with Amazon, if somebody clicks on one of these icons, they don't have to buy what they click on. As long as they go to Amazon and buy something within, I believe, 72 hours, that cookie's still on their computer. So if they buy something, it doesn't have to be one of these cameras or whatever they're looking for here. It could be anything on Amazon, and you get a commission for it. Isn't that so cool? I love it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you also down here, I didn't change this part of it. These are still the testimonials that I put in there. Of course, it's a brand new site, so I don't really have any testimonials yet. The client section, I took out the old stuff that was in there and I centered everything, which looks a lot nicer. And so I made the icons for the social media thing a little bit bigger. Our team, I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to keep the latest news section. Okay, so let's get back to this website here, and we're going to edit some things in here. So if we go, you don't even have to go back to here. You just go to edit page. Oh, you know what? I did want to go back there. I wanted to go to pages. I want to go to all pages. I just wanted to show you one thing in here. I'm going to move myself over here so you can see good. All right. You see all this demo stuff that's in there. If you go here and you click on and check everything, but keep the stuff that you made yourself, like About My Photography Store, the blog posts, the contact, and you want to keep the home page. I'm going to keep this my blog. Okay, now all the rest you can just get rid of and just bulk actions, move to trash, apply, and all that other stuff will be gone. So now we have these. Now this blog page is the one blog post I didn't create, so I'm going to trash that. Okay. Now if we go back to the home page, which is this one, and we edit that, if we scroll down, okay, we got these employees. Now, if you have employees, that's great. You can showcase in here. If you don't have any employees, no sense of having this section. So we're just going to delete this. And we're just going to delete the row. So the latest news is going to be our blog post. Forgot you got to update everything. Don't forget to do that, folks. Otherwise, you just have to go through it again. It's not going to ruin your website or anything like that. Just all the changes that you made, just will come back. It'll be the same as it was before. All right. So we're going to create the About My Photography Store section, or your About page, or whatever it is you want to create. So we're going to click on Edit. Okay, first I want you to make sure that your template is front page template. Okay, now on the front page for the About Me page, we're going to have kind of like 3 sections like we do on the home page. You notice the sections are different blocks. So we're going to create. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on Site Builder here. And first off, we're going to add a row, and we're going to make it a single row. And we're going to insert that. Then we're going to add another row, and we're going to make that a single row, and we're going to insert that. And then we're going to add one more row, make it a single row, and insert that. Okay, so now we got these 3 sections. So now we have to add widgets. Okay, so in the first row, we're going to add a widget. And in these widgets, we want to look for the site origin text widget, site origin editor. That's what we want. I'm sorry. Okay, now this right here, we're going to edit this, and we're going to put a title. This is going to be the title to our page, which is going to be my About Photography Store. So next what we want to do is we want to add some text and even an image. So I'm going to place some text here, and just to save time, I already have some pre-written text, so I'm going to just paste that in there. And then we want to put a picture here. So we're going to add media, and I'm going to pick a picture. See if I pick, yeah, let me pick this picture here. I like that picture. Okay, and we're going to insert it in there. And when you click on the picture, you want to make it to the left side. You can make it to the left, to the right, to the center. I like it to the left because see how it makes all the text go right around the image itself. Okay, now that we've edited that, we're going to click on Done. And then we're going to edit the row by hovering over the spanner and clicking Edit the Row. And what we want to do now is we want to go to Layout. And for the top and bottom padding, we want to make it 50. Then click Done, and then Update. So now that it's updated, let's go to View the Page and see how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? So now what I want to do is I want to add another section to this. You might want to put a video down here. That's why I got the other row in there to put a video. So let's go back to and customize this page by click on Editing. And then in this row here, we're going to add a widget. We're going to add the text widget because it allows you also to put a URL in. So I'm going to edit it. So we want to go to Layout here, and we want to make sure that the padding here is set to 50 and the rest is all 0. Okay. So now to get the video that you want in the text part of it, you want to do an embed. So, and this is the video I want to put into my website. It's kind of funny and people would like it. So what you want to do is you want to hit share. So you want to expand that to embedded. So you want to click the embed, and you want to make sure if you say show more that down here you don't want them to show the suggested videos or the player controls or the video title. Okay, and if you want it a different size than that, you can choose these different sizes, and I like to do the 640 by 360 size. And then all you have to do is go up here and right click on the URL, or it's what they call a script. You copy that, you go back to your text widget right here, and all you do is just paste it in there, say done, make sure that the row, if you go to the edit the row here, that the padding in the layout section is 50, and then click done and update. So then if you go to view the page, you got your video right there, and you just click on it. So I want to edit the page again because I want this to be full width in the, I want to click the spanner wrench here again. I want to edit the row. In the layout, it says full width. Then if we go down to the design part, we can actually add a picture in there like we did before for the background, or you can make the background color. Let's make it black again. Now let's click done, update, and let's see what it looks like now. So you can see here that it's stretched. I just don't know if I like the size of it here, but that's what it's going to look like. So now let's put in the social media button down here at the bottom, and we'll be done with this page. Okay, now on this last widget, don't forget we want to put the social button. So we're going to do that, and we're going to add a widget. And if you remember, we wanted to add the social media widget. And if you remember, we'll put the site origin media buttons there. And then again, you edit this. You add your networks. Select your network. So we're going to start with Facebook. Okay, so at design and layout, we want to make sure that the buttons are flat. Icon size is extra large. Padding is low. Align center. So we got our Facebook added there. We want to add another. So I'm going to add my Twitter. And this time it's going to be Twitter. And we'll say done. So then what we want to do now is we want to edit the row and just make sure there's some padding there. So we'll go to layout and we'll put the padding at 30. Then we're going to click done. We're going to update, and then we're going to check out our new About Me page. There you have it. Okay, so that's how you do that. And in the next lecture, we're going to do the blog post. So stay tuned for that.